What Nate's done is he sent us a P-pump that he found off an old Core engine. We're gonna take that pump, add a 3K governor spring kit, do a little bit of pump modifications, turn it up just a little bit, rack plug, governor springs, stuff like that. Give him a little bit more power to move this big van on 42-inch tall tires, but again, make it as reliable as possible for him, and that's our goal for him.